Hi, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be chatting with you all about the new sweatsuit line from 437. They were kind enough to send me over 2 sweatsuits to try on, so I can't wait to share with all of you my thoughts. If you're new here, I'm Sam. I post fashion videos every single Wednesday to this channel, so I'd love it if you could click that subscribe button if you do like what you see here. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, that's cute. I love this color. So these are the pants, and they actually have 437 embroidered there on the leg. They feel very stretchy. Oh my goodness. This material is like nothing that I have ever felt before. And this is the hoodie. So both obviously, you know, same color, same material. The second set, this is the Gunmetal hoodie. I feel like this is gonna be really comfortable. And here we have the pants. These just have a little detail here, and then otherwise they are plain. Again, super, super stretchy. So here is the Gunmetal set on. Honestly, this is a very, very comfortable sweatsuit. I was talking as I was unboxing these about the fabric, and I don't think I've ever tried on sweat fleece that was stretchy like this. I feel like that will help it keep its shape. I think a lot of my sweatpants, the more that I wear them, you know, they kind of bag out in the knee area and they bag out like in the butt a little bit. So I think with these, kind of that elasticity that they have will help keep them in the same shape. I did just want to show a quick comparison between a regular fleece and this stretch fleece as well. So this is just a regular pair of sweatpants that's mostly made out of cotton. You can see, like, I can pull it a little bit, but it's not really stretching, right? And then these are the 437 sweats. So they are just like much more elastic. See it there, like you can really stretch them out. I think this will help them fit better and hopefully keep their shape better as you wear them throughout the day. One thing I really appreciate as well about these pieces is that the sleeves are long enough for me and the legs are long enough for me, which honestly is something that I normally don't find in my actual size. Typically, I have to size up to get something that is going to be long enough for my very, very long limbs. But with these, it just fits. I think one of the reasons for that is probably because this line is unisex, so they may have just cut the items to be a little bit longer. Seriously, I can't get over this color. I got a small in both the top and the bottoms, and I think that is the right size for me. When I looked at my measurements online, I was actually between a small and a medium, but just knowing that they fit a little bit more relaxed is what led me to get the small, and I'm happy with that decision. It fits well, I feel comfortable, it's a little bit relaxed, but it's not super slouchy or anything. I feel like this is a presentable look. I also really like tucking in the band at the bottom. I think that this is a beautiful set. You can tell as you're wearing it that it was made really well. It has all of those little details, I think, that make a good quality piece of clothing. But the one thing that I think is going to prevent some people from buying this is just the price. It's $248 for the set, and right now that is the only option that you can choose if you want to purchase this. I'm all for a matching set. Anyone who's watched my videos knows that I love having matching sweatsuits. However, it just means that you can't buy the hoodie or the sweats individually, which would make them a little bit more affordable. So I think that is the one downfall with this swim club sweatsuit line, is just that it's going to be a little bit cost prohibitive for some customers to purchase. If you do purchase it, know that you're getting a really good quality suit. However, obviously you do have to pay for that quality. I did mention in the unboxing as well that these letters are embroidered, whereas on the Gunmetal one, they're printed on. They are puffy, so they still have a texture with the print, but personally, my preference would be for the embroidery. I also really like that it's tone on tone, so it's not too aggressive or anything. I feel like it just kind of blends in nicely where you can still see that it says 437, but it's not like jumping out in your face. I definitely also wanted to style these pieces because I think that they're super cute to wear on their own as well. And this outfit, I cannot wait until it's actually warm enough to wear outside. So I just added a little pleated skirt. I think most people have these in their closets from last summer because they were so popular then. I have some nice little white high socks and my Air Force Ones. Probably also have a white sneaker in your closet. I have my little Prada bag as well. And I think that this is just like a really cute, casual, comfortable look. Put my hair up in a little clip. This is for sure an outfit that you're going to see me wearing as the weather warms up a little bit. Can't wait until then when I can just have bare legs and no jacket again. One of my favorite looks with sweatpants is always just pairing them with a fitted crop top. I think these ones are nice and high rise, so you can totally do that, no problem. And if it's a little bit colder outside, like it is right now where I am, then no problem. You just add a jacket on top. In this case, it's like a nice cozy Sherpa jacket. But if you live somewhere that's a little bit warmer, but you still need some kind of jacket over top, you can always go for something denim and cropped, and I think that that will look equally as good. I'm like really into this sage color. I just can't stop looking at it. It's so fun. And of course, you can just wear the full sweatsuit. I've thrown on a jacket over top, and I think that this is gonna be the way that I wear this outfit most often in the winter time for sure. I still have just my Air Force Ones and some nice white socks, of course, and this is actually the outfit that I'm going to be wearing today for the rest of the day. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it has helped you figure out if you think that the 437 sweatsuit is the right choice for you, or figure out what size you want to get if it is. If you have any more questions, feel free, just leave them down there in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. See you all next Wednesday for another brand new video. Bye!